Go.
I'm gonna miss you all.
You're gonna miss me. I'm gonna miss you too. That's it.
Yeah.
What else you wanna say?
Oh, I'm gonna miss you whenever you leave.
You're gonna miss me when I leave. Okay.
Are you gonna miss me?
Yeah. A whole bunch. Who else am I gonna get to pick on? And torture and yell at and smack around. How much do I smack you around?
A lot.
A lot, yeah.
Not really that much, but
I yell at you when you bother Courtney.
yeah, that's casual.
That's casual. Okay.
So that happens every day. So
Anything else?
not really. And something you wanna say?
I'm gonna miss you a lot. A whole bunch of them bunches. And I'm gonna put, actually for the drive up there, I'm gonna put a video log on the drive on the different things that I come across and see and do. And when I'm there, I'm gonna try and put one up at least once a week. And I'll let you guys know when I put one up, so you guys can check it out. And some pictures and videos of Vegas itself.
Message mom.
Okay. Anything else?
And yeah,
Are you gonna be nice to mom and help her out with stuff?
yeah, I'll have to be the man of the house.
Yeah, let's be the man of the house, yes.
Yeah.
You've already proven to me that you can, that you know how.
I'm gonna do videos on the YouTube.
Yeah. I'm gonna show mom how to work hers and set it up.
And hopefully show up before you leave.
Yeah.
And I was hoping you'd be able to go camping with us.
Yeah, well, it doesn't look like that was gonna happen, but it'll be okay. I'll come back and we'll do it. It might be freezing cold. You have to put your fire making skills to the test.
Yeah?
Or maybe you can come out there and we'll go camping out in the desert. Yeah. Okay. So we done? Yeah.
No,
Yes, you do. Okay.